Hi. In this video, we will compare the features of 3 of the best URL shorteners for digital marketers. So first, we have Bitly. Using Bitly URL shorteners, QR codes, and link in bio pages to engage your audience and connect them to the right information. Click on the links. In destination, add your URL and then click on Create to make it short. In QR code, create a QR code from any link. Then edit, customize, and track your QR codes. In the link in bio, build beautiful pages to share and manage all the links that matter to you. Bitly powers hundreds of thousands of link in bios for creators and businesses of all kinds. In the analytics dashboard, Bitly uses sample data to display your data in real time and make this report actionable. In campaigns, organize your links in Bitly campaigns and compare performance across channels. This feature is available on the premium plan. Now on Tinyurl. Paste your URL here and click on Shorten URL to make it short. It will also automatically generate a QR code that you can download in SVG and PNG format. Also, share your URL on social media and copy your URL. You can also upgrade your plan to see other features. With branded and customized links, you can build your perfect brand link campaign with custom domain essentials. In custom branded domains, you can purchase your custom domains. In campaign monitoring and analytics, you can learn from your links and build better digital campaigns. Now, go to the Pretty Links. On Pretty Links, add your target link here. Also, add your title and choose your redirection method. If we click here, we get 3 choices. Select the one that you want. In the advanced feature, by default, you've got no follow ticked and tracking ticked. Go to the Pro feature. So, there are some pretty cool features that it has. I am not going to go into that because I am using the free version. Now, right here, click on Update to publish that link. Here you can copy the link to the clipboard. You can also see here how many people have clicked your link. So it's a really cool little way of tracking. If you want to use Bitly, Tiny, and Pretty Links for free, then click the links in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.